everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming for the week of November 26th to December 2nd in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. And we are going to be using this kit called Let It Snow. And as you will see, I have a lot of stickers missing already in the kit. I did film how I pre-plan my spreads in my B6, so I'll try and leave a link in the iCard or in the description down below. I'll see what I can figure out there. I'm not sure how to do the iCard, but I'll see if I can figure it out. So I have pre-planned already my B6, so I did use some stickers for that, and now this is what I have left, so I just showed it to you that way. Okay, so starting with this spread, I'm starting with the bottom washi, and I put down this gorgeous Simply Gilded washi. I think this was from one of the subscription boxes for the like the Celestial one. It's so pretty. It's got this pink and purple in it, and I thought it was perfect for this kit. So I put that down, and I whited out underneath it just because I think it was going to show through. And then after that, I put down the washi from the kit, and I'm just cutting it down to size like I usually have been doing. So now that I have my bottom washi down, I'm going to go start in on my full boxes. Now I put the quote in the sidebar, but the quote does have a pretty white background in it, so I chose the Let It Snow quote for the top box. So I'm just whiting out the edges of this quote box just to make sure that doesn't show through. So now I'm going to go in and put all of my full boxes down and scatter my glitter headers. And all I'm doing is just making sure that I have fashion girl, non-fashion girl, that kind of thing scattered throughout the spread. And I will be right back. Okay, so now that I have all of my full boxes and my glitter headers down, I just went and put the flags that come in the kit in the top corners. And now I'm putting in the date covers that come in the kit along with the date squares that come from my shop. And I'm just putting those on now. So moving on to the sidebar next, I ended up starting with my usual sidebar that I do and wanted to change it up this week, so I do end up removing most of what I put down, but I wanted to show you what I did first and then you'll see me take it apart. So what I'm doing right now is putting a piece of Simply Gilded washi underneath the quote box. Now I'm going to go in and put a half box to mark my highlight for the week. Underneath that, I'm going to take some more Simply Gilded washi. Isn't this snowflake washi so cute? I love it. I think it goes really good with this kit. And it's very different because usually her washi is foiled, but this one doesn't have any foil in it, so I thought it was pretty interesting. Underneath that, I'll do a dinner's header along with a weekly sidebar box. So this is when I decided that I wanted to add my advent calendar in the sidebar. My kids and me, we do two different advent calendars for the kids through the month of December. One is for their Playmobil advent calendar, where they have like this box they open up every single day, and it has a new piece to the collection for Playmobil. It's really cool. They really like it, and like it's fun to get a little toy every day. But it's a tradition in my family, like in my house. We've done this for like 3 or 4 years now, where we make our own advent calendar. My mom kind of made me like a quilted side we can hang up, and it's got all these little pockets in there. And I put in a piece of paper that has a Christmas activity every day. So it's something fun that we get to do as a family and just something different every single day. So I really wanted to mark the different things that we do for our advent calendar in my sidebar. So what I'm doing first is putting a piece of Simply Gilded washi underneath the quote box along with the highlight for the week. And then I kind of wanted to work from the bottom up to see how much room I would have. So I put a weekly sidebar for the dinners and a dinners header, and then another weekly sidebar with odds and ends header, and that is going to be where my advent calendar stuff is going to go in. And I know that my December only starts on Saturday for this week, so I do only fill Saturday and Sunday up. Next, we're going to put in the highlight for the week, which was watch holiday movies. I got this sticker off of the holiday bucket list from my shop, and I'm going to go in and put the different advent calendar things along with the dinners that I had for the week. So on Saturday, the first was to decorate the tree, and on Sunday it was to have a games night. So moving on to the day-to-day, we'll start with Monday. Monday mornings, my daughter always has piano lessons in the first thing in the morning, so I take a appointment label for that along with a music note sticker from my shop to mark her piano lessons. Then I did a lot of printing and cutting this day, so I did a work script sticker and a laptop, and then I just wanted to fill in the section that would be blank, so I took some of this snowflake washi to fill in that space. For the second half of the day, me and the kids ended up writing letters to Santa. So there is a Write to Santa sticker in the holiday bucket list, and I'm just taking a piece of the extra washi and I'm putting it layered on there and cutting it down to size. Then that evening, me and the kids watched the movie Christmas Calendar. It's a really, really cute movie. I really liked it. I noticed that Netflix has not very many traditional movies this year, which kind of makes me really sad because I'm used to watching like Christmas with the Cranks and all those kind of things on there, and they don't really have that this year. So there's a lot of new movies, like Netflix original movies, at least in Canada anyways. I don't know if the States is different. But I was a little disappointed this year. So we ended up watching a few new movies this year just because that's what we had. On Tuesdays, my kids have preschool, so I took a preschool sticker from my shop to mark that. And now I'm taking a half box to mark that I did a lot of printing and cutting this day, and I'm going to fill that in with a laptop and a work script sticker. Now to fill in that little extra space, I'm just taking a piece of the confetti washi, and I love this washi. It's so cute. I like the polka dots. I think they're so fun. And it kind of reminds me of snowflakes, and there's a lot of polka dots in the background of the full boxes, so I think it really went well together. That afternoon, I ended up spending some time at my parents' house to visit my mom. So these cute little girls together from Planner Mania, I put them down and then I just wrote "Visit Mom." And then that evening I ended up watching the movie The Holiday. So I'm taking this movie marquee, and this is in our winter colorway, and I'm layering that with the holiday sticker from the holiday movie bucket list sheet that comes from my shop, and I really like this sheet. It's kind of give me motivation to watch a lot of different movies. I usually tend to stick to the very similar movies like The Grinch and Santa Claus and Home Alone. That's pretty much my extent of my Christmas movies. So I wanted to try and watch a lot of different movies this year. Like The Holiday was actually a movie I had never seen before, so it was really fun to watch that one. On Wednesday I did some more printing and cutting, so another laptop and work script sticker. And this day I had a ton of printer problems. My one printer was just printing everything really bad, and it was causing so much problems. And with Black Friday ending on Monday, I just really didn't have the time for that. So I took a quarter box and I layered that with a Not Today sticker from Planner Mania. I thought it was so appropriate because I was so mad this day. And then I ended up going to buy a new printer, so I took out the laptop from the kit to mark that. We ended up eating out this day, so a quarter box and an eat out sticker from the kit. And now I really want to use this washi. You'll see I've tried to use it so many different times, and I think this was a good spot to put that washi. Then in the evening I ended up watching Gilmore Girls, so I took the TV from the kit to mark that. Moving on to Thursday, my kids had preschool again, so another preschool sticker from my shop. I did some more printing and cutting, so a laptop and work script sticker. This day I ended up setting up my new printer. It's a little bit of a process. You don't just like plug it in, because with the shop you have to like sign up for your ink and make sure your settings are all right, all that kind of fun stuff. So it's a bit of a process, so I thought it was appropriate to mark. And to mark it, I'm just using the little thumbtack from the kit, and then I put a little piece of skinny washi to separate that stuff. Then we went grocery shopping that day, so I took a flag from the kit and this little girl with the groceries from Little Annabelle Plans. I'm sorry, I don't know the name of all the little girls, but I'm sure if you check out her shop, it'll tell you all that stuff. Then we ended up playing games with our friends this evening, so I took a half box from the kids and along with the game night sticker from my shop. On Friday I took the kids to the indoor park, so I took a half box from the kit and I layered that with a playground sticker from my shop. We like to go every Friday, and there's going to be like this new play center opening up like after Christmas. I'm so excited because it's going to be way bigger, a lot more things for the kids to do. This one that we go to is basically just like 2 slides, a little trampoline. That's pretty much it. Then I put another laptop and work script sticker. Then this day my kids ended up getting their letters back from Santa, so I had this really cute checklist and a pen from Busy Lizzie Plans. Sorry, my name slipped my mind there. And I used that to mark it. I think it turned out super cute. Then I'm taking another movie marquee and the Santa Claus from the movie bucket list to mark that we watched that movie that night. On Saturday, we went for breakfast with my parents like usual, so I took a quarter box and a meal icon sticker to mark that. Then this day, my sister had her school exam and I helped her with that, so I took a laptop from my shop and I just kind of wrote in Kyla's exam. This was the day that we started our advent calendars, so I really want to mark that. In the holiday bucket list, there is a Start Advent Calendar sticker, so I took a quarter box and I layered that with that sticker. Then we set up our tree this day, so I took some more of that bottom washi and I put it down and layered that with the Set Up Tree sticker that came on the holiday bucket list. Then that evening, our friends came over and we watched the first Lord of the Rings movie. I had actually never seen these movies, so I was really excited when they asked if we wanted to start watching them. I was so excited. So we watched the first one this day, and I have seen the second one now since then, and they're really good. It just took me a little bit of time to figure everything out. I think there's a lot going on. I think you have to watch them more than once to really understand everything. On Sunday, we went to church, so I took a church sticker from my shop. And then me and my mom went to Fawn and Cub, which is like a craft market in our area. So I took the glitter flag from the kit along with the shopping cart to mark that, and another work script sticker and a laptop to mark printing and cutting. Then we went sledding in the evening, so I took a quarter box and this from Busy Lizzie Plans, these little mittens to mark sledding. And then another movie marquee to watch the Santa Claus 2. I swear we watched tons of movies this week. And then this was from the Busy Lizzie Plan sampler as well, this little Coco, and we used that to mark games night with the kids. So now I'm just going to go and open up this spread. I'm going to go in and put all of the deco that came in the kit just at the top. A lot of it's pretty big in this kit, but I think it turned out so cute. I honestly really like having the deco. I know it's pretty busy for some people, but I don't know, I like it. So I'm going to keep doing it. And then I did run out of space for one of the pairs of boots, so I just put that in the odds and ends section there. So now after I cut down the stickers, I'm just going to go in and put my Christmas countdown that came from my shop starting on the 1st. And this is the spread, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!